Hey Susan, Matt Parent. Um, so I took a look at your Excel spreadsheet and noticed you had the product IDs on the far left-hand side, and I can make that work. But it does look like there's quite a few that are still missing. So in order to make the site look really great, I'd love to be able to have all those filled in, and I'm assuming that they're just either we don't have the images yet, or we're going to get them. So I'm wondering if instead of using a product ID like this, that we actually put the full image name in there. And we don't really need to work with subfolders for the images. So, for example, I've got this West Elm right here. And if we were to go into the West Elm folder, we'll find number two. Uh, Maybe not. All right, let's do a different one then. Number three. Okay, so we got number three here. So one way I'd like to do this, if you could do it this way instead, and if you, this is how I'm gonna have to make the changes. And if you are still working on these images, maybe we can fix it so that it's this way. Images imported into a web server can't have a space like this. So see how there's a blank space there. So sample 19, we could just go ahead and just take out all this and just copy it, copy the name. And so now we've got the name, and all we'd have to do is just place that right there. Um, I don't have it editing. Let me go ahead and enable that. So really all we need to have is have the name there like that. That will do it, because then I can create this whole structure into an importable file and import it into Magento, the system that you're going to be using. So going through all these, I can do that. But if you're going to still work on it, and maybe you have the opportunity to fill in some of the blanks. So obviously this one was not the correct location. That was it, and we did not have a two that I could find. This will be better for you maybe. Second step is you can leave them in these folders. That's perfectly fine, but I'm going to take them out of the folders and put them into one main subfolder called image, or import, depending on how I do it, and import it into the system. So with that being said, let me know if this is an okay way to do it. If you want me to take the time to go through the file and make those changes, I can. But the thing that I don't want to do is make the changes on the file and then you come back and say I changed, these 15 images, and I got to go searching for it. So until this samples file, inventory file is complete on your guys' end, I won't do any imports into the system, because I got to make alterations and stuff to how it imports in. So let me know what you'd like to do. This is how I communicate quite a bit, is through YouTube. So it gives you a better understanding of how I'll do tutorials and other things, as well for the back end of Magento, so that you guys can add and subtract photos, products, inventory levels, review orders, all that stuff. So look forward to talking to you in person. Talk to you there.